Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show how to purchase Amazon gift card using PayPal. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, open up any web browser on your phone and head over to Google. And inside Google, type in Amazon gift card PayPal. And then it should be one of the top results here. So from paypal.com, Amazon gift card, click into that. Alright, once you've came here, make sure to log in. So I'll go ahead and do this now. Alright, I've now logged into my Amazon PayPal account. And now scroll down a bit and you'll see popular gift cards, amazon.com.au, because I'm in Australia, but whatever country you're in will be that. Scroll down. And then you've got a custom amount from $5 to $200. I'm going to put in $100. And then click on apply, and then you'll see a green tick here. Once that's been applied, it's $100. So you can either choose this is a gift for someone else or this is a gift for me. So you can either put in their email, then your name, and add a personal message, and you got an option when to send it. So you can send it today or next week, next month, etc. But if you want to get a gift card for yourself to send it to you, you can click on add to cart. So for this demonstration, I'm going to click on add to cart. Give it a few moments to load, and now I'm going to check out, and now I'm going to click on buy now. Alright, once you're here, you can complete purchase inside PayPal. So yeah, that's how to do it guys, how to get an Amazon gift card using PayPal. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful.